Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Air and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and entering the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. So let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *#007#. And we have to tap on this dial key. We will enter legal and regulatory information. Basically, you can enter the section using the settings, but this way is a little bit faster. So you can check the regulatory certification here. As you can see, you've got a lot of information. Moreover, you can check things like the license, warranty. So if you will need that, then you can have really fast access to this option, to this information. Another code is *3001#. 12345#. After entering this code, you have to still tap on this dialer key, and basically we will enter the dashboard where you can check your carrier phone number. Obviously, you will be able to see all of those information if you've got your SIM card inserted. Moreover, here you've got two important indicators, which is RSRP and RSRQ. The first one is connected with the signal strength. So here we've got the signal strength, and basically anything greater than -90 is perfect, and anything lower than minus 120 is, I would say, bad. And as you can see in my case, we are, let's say, in the middle between good and bad. And the RSRQ stands for the signal quality, and here in this case anything greater than -12 is good, and lower than -12 is not really the best. So as you can see in my case, it's quite all right. Okay, so now I'd like to show you the codes which are carrier specific, and you have to be aware that some might not work because it depends on the carrier. So the first code is *#21#, and then you will have to tap on dial key. Because I do not have my SIM inserted, I will not be able to open that, but I will explain it to you what it means. Basically, after tapping on dial key, your device will kind of ask the carrier whether the call forwarding is enabled, and then you will be provided with a list of the things where you can check whether it is enabled or not. So you will be able to check the information on the screen. Another code will allow you to actually turn off the call forwarding, and the code is *#002#, and obviously you have to tap on dial key, and basically thanks to entering it, you can turn off all call forwarding at once, so you do not have to do it one by one manually. Another code is *72, and after entering this code, you have to follow it with the number to which you wish to forward the calls. So let me enter the number 5874563, and basically it means that now I will forward, or actually the carrier will forward all of the calls which are intended to my device into this number I've entered here. Another code which is actually similar is *#62#, and it also should be followed by the specific number to which you wish to forward the calls. And basically this is a quite unique feature because it will work only if your device is unavailable. So for example, if you're at the top of the mountain and you cannot really find a signal, then your carrier will forward the calls into the number you will provide right here, and only in that case when the phone is unavailable. And as the last thing which I'd like to show you is how to turn off the forwarding, which we've previously set, and the code for it is #62#. And thanks to this code, we can turn off the forwarding. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.